Alright, today is an awesome day, guys, because we are revisited with the red Honda Accord. You guys have missed this car so much. You've been asking me where it is. Here it is in all its glory. Still looks beautiful, absolutely beautiful. As you can see, nice looking red on here, nice rims. Everything is still the same on this vehicle. I've done this video a long time ago, and here it is. Now, what I want to show off with this car, look at these beautiful taillights, by the way. Honda Accord, I think you forgot how to do tail lights, I have to say. Look at this. Now the thing that's on the vehicle right now is what we're here for, and these are the Yachty motor floor mats, because we all know in terms of liquid and dirt, this is much better to have in your vehicle. Let's unbox this bad boy. Hey guys, it's going Chris here, making more videos again. And today, guys, we have some awesome floor mats designed for any type of weather, any condition, whatever you need, rugged. So without further ado, let's get to it. I do really apologize for all the wind. There's a lot of wind out here. Oh, these things are, they're gonna be awesome. All right, let's take it out of the box right here. Alrighty, look at that, absolutely beautiful. I've taken it out of the box. Oh my gosh, they feel so good. It has like this rubber grip to it and has a nice branding right there. It's gonna look sweet in the car. So what I'm gonna do is just place these in the vehicle and show you how they look. Holy crap, I just finished placing these floor mats in the car. They look way better than I thought it was gonna look. You guys gotta check it out. Let's go to the passenger right here and let me show you how it looks. Oh my gosh, look at that fitment, guys. I mean, it looks like a picture straight from Amazon. Look how beautiful that seriously looks. You're not gonna have any dirt problems or anything like that because you're gonna be easily taking up all the dirt, taking up any water spillage or anything. There's not gonna be any water dripping into the carpet below. Beautiful. Oh my, they came out way better than I thought it was. Look how beautiful that looks, guys. Let's take it to the back seat right here, guys. Oh my gosh, absolutely beautiful. Makes the entire, like, it looks brand new. It looks really nice, and it really fits perfectly like OEM. It really fits like OEM, guys. Let me go to the next one right here. Oh my gosh, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. I'm loving these floor mats so much right now. They are on point and beautiful. So yeah, definitely a fairly quick and easy video. Like I said, definitely makes the floors in the vehicle look a ton better, like killer. It's just perfect. I love it. I love it. But yeah, links to purchase these bad boys are going to be in the description below. They have it for many other vehicles. Make sure you just pick it for the right vehicle for your car. I'm going to put the link in the description below. Then you go from there and choose your vehicle. Absolutely beautiful floor mats for a beautiful car. Like I said, links are in the description below. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. A little short video. There should be a subscribe button and also a video button pop right here. Make sure you click on for more videos in the future. Other than that, guys, get your share saying thanks for watching and peace.